Good day, everyone. Learn how to clear cache from Google Chrome, or I would say how to delete cache from Google Chrome. So, clearing out cache from Google Chrome will help you load the website faster. Overall, the performance of Google Chrome will be smoother and the websites will be way better in terms of loading. So, how we can clear the cache from Google Chrome? At the top right corner where we see the three dots, click on that and then click on settings. Now, once you click on settings, you will find a new tab where you have this UN Google autofill privacy and security. So we need to click on this privacy and security, and then the very first option is clear history, cookies, cache, and more. And I'll click on that, and here you can simply uncheck if you do not want to clear the history or cookies. You can uncheck it and you can simply select this cached image and files free up 318 MB. Some sites may load like that. So here you can check it and you can simply click on clear, and this will clear the cache from your Google Chrome. You can simply close it and then reopen it. So in this manner, you can, clear the cache and the websites. Overall, the load will be way less and the browsing experience will be better. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.